winter melon bottle gourd yogurt casserole, or garlic winter melon bottle gourd yogurt bowl, or Lasoon, Petha Kaddu, Lauki Raita, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the Raita recipes and one of the most different of the yogurt recipes and one of the most delicious of the yogurt casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the gourd recipes. Going to make garlic bottle gourd winter melon yogurt casserole. We have taken around 100 grams of bottle gourd and 100 grams of winter melon cut into pieces. 10 to 15 ml of olive oil. Put in a few mustard seeds and let it fry. Once the mustard seeds start popping, put in the shallots. Salt. Garlic. Putting the ginger. Ginger. The shallots. Put in the garlic. Stir the ginger and the garlic together. Then the curry leaves. Salt. Now put in a spoon of chili powder, and a spoon of turmeric powder. Now salt and mix. Salt and mix thoroughly. chopped garlic, hash gourd pieces, putting the bottle gourd piece, salt, salt the bottle gourd pieces together with the winter melon piece. This cardamom nuts, celery nuts, mixing the salad, close, and cook for around 20 minutes. Open. Around 100 ml of yogurt. Mix. And let it cook in low heat for a minute. Put in some curry leaves, mix, and let the mixture cook. The garlic winter melon bottle gourd yogurt casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Garlic winter melon bottle gourd yogurt casserole, or garlic winter melon bottle gourd yogurt bowl, or Lasoon, Petha, Kaddu, Lauki Raita, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the Raita recipes and one of the most unique of the yogurt casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the Winter Melon recipes and one of the most delicious of the bottle gourd recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the notification button.